Hey there, apartment investors. Welcome to Tenant Screening 101. Today I'm diving into the essentials of conducting comprehensive tenant background checks. First off, get those rental applications and authorization forms ready. Your prospective tenants need to fill out detailed rental applications that cover personal information, employment history, income sources, and rental references. This gives you a solid baseline for verification. And don't forget those signed authorization forms. You need them to legally conduct background and credit checks, keeping everything above board and transparent. Once you've got the applications, it's time to verify identity, employment, and rental history. Check government-issued IDs to confirm tenant identity. For employment status and income, request recent pay stubs, employment verification letters, or bank statements. This confirms income stability and gives insight into their financial reliability. Don't skip contacting employers to verify position and duration of employment. And, of course, reach out to previous landlords for rental history and references. This helps you understand their past behavior as tenants. Next up, performing credit, criminal, and eviction checks. Run a credit report to assess financial stability, checking credit score, debt levels, and payment history. A strong credit report indicates financial responsibility. For criminal background checks, stay compliant with fair housing laws. Don't use blanket policies. Consider the nature and recency of offenses. This balanced approach helps reduce risk. Lastly, review eviction records. Repeated evictions or recent issues could signal potential challenges. A clean record suggests greater stability. Let's wrap up with a quick example. To verify financial stability, request recent pay stubs, an employment verification letter, and bank statements. These documents confirm income sources, employment stability, and the applicant's ability to meet rent requirements. And there you have it, folks. Tenant screening doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you can make informed decisions, reduce risk, and protect your investment. Happy investing!